Are y'all ready for the next song, guys? It's called Blue Eye Dream. Time for a man like me, but in our hearts we play make-believe, and I wouldn't stop her even if I tried, 'cause I'm lost in those dreamy blue eyes. Every time our bones collided underneath them sheets, never once did I feel the warmth of her heartbeat. But you don't know the heart that I possess, and I know I'll be the one that you will miss. Head in the clouds, heart in my soul, doing my best just to let go of the things I can't control, like the colors in her eyes, like the color in her eyes. Give it up for Dirk on lead guitar. Lost in illusions from the false love we found. Now I see you everywhere in the small Austin town. But you don't know the heart that I possess, and I know I'll be the one that you will miss. Beating the ground, God is my strength, doing my best every day to outlast the pain you walked away, because you couldn't believe in a blue-eyed dream. You ready, sir? Blue-eyed dream. The heart that I possess, and I know I'll be the one that you will miss. In the clouds, heart in my soul, doing my best just to let go of the things I can't control, the colors in your eyes. Ground, God is my strength, doing my best every day to outlast the pain of you walking away, because you couldn't believe in a blue-eyed dream, in a blue-eyed dream.
All right, everybody having fun?
Hey, you guys.